Marriage is a commitment. Marriage is permanent. And marriage is a covenant. Kaya nga, marriage is a committed partnership between husband and wife.
Aba, may pinapaalala eh.
11 years ago, I was at my lowest. And then you came again when I least expected it. I used to think that we met by chance, but now I know without a doubt that the universe put you in front of me because we were meant to spend our lives together.
Ana, tinatanggap mo ba si Brian upang maging asawa, mamuhay, ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba yung iibigin, aaliwin, igagalang at iingatan? Sa sakit at sa kalusugan ay tanging sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay.
Pwede na po. Joke. I do.
Hindi naman excited. Pero kagabi, medyo stress. Pero ngayon, okay na kasi maganda yung weather.
All package na. Galing-galing ka ng bibit. Galing-galing ka ng bibit eh.
Small voice in the choir. Guess I never dared to know myself. Can my heart be quiet?
Sorry, pre, sorry.
No,
Tapos, naiyak ka
then
na.
there was you. Then there was you. Coming out of the crowd, you were telling the truth. Yeah, I got something to say now. She told me that there's no way I couldn't go, nothing I couldn't do. Yeah. I want to get loud. I got to get loud. We're about to go up, baby, up we go. We're about to go up, baby, up we go. We're blowing our speakers, our heart a little clearer. We're about to go up, baby, up we go. We're about to go up, baby, up we go. For worse or for better, gonna give it to you in capital letters.
To my dear Bebe, so I promise to you always to protect you, care for you, and stand by your side through every challenge life brings.
Someone I can be my ugliest and most vulnerable with. Thank you for working so hard. I might forget to listen or forget to share. I might not always agree, and I might be wrong-headed, but I will always love you.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid?
Advice ko, laging patient para
You.
maging strong and kay God ay maglimot.
Maging matatag at laban ang pagsubok kung bibitaw at be happy family.
I died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Ayan, may gift. Hindi, lang yan. Simple gift.
Kasi
Uy, gustong-gusto. Kasi Cash, pinipilit na Kasha.
Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take.
Wish ko lang na maging masaya si Annabelle. Maging maganda ang pagsasama nila.
masaya lang ako, masaya at naman nakakatagal ko na hinintay ng aking anak na rin mapag-asawa kasi siya na lang ang hindi pa nakakapag-asawa. Kaya ako'y tuwan-tuwa.
I have died
because we choose to make it last. I promise to keep making that choice, even as we change and grow in those bounds. And even when it is difficult choice to make.
So I will always support you in your dreams and in the things you truly desire. Because your happiness is my greatest joy.
Breathe it in, like the world moves slow.
I promise to love you deeply, faithfully, and endlessly for all the days of our lives. In love, Bebe.
This is where I'm meant to be.
You are the person I choose to spend forever with. I chose you in 2015. I choose you today. And I will continue choosing you forever. I love you.